This is KD2GIY with another radio video. Today we're talking about the AS-73 slash PPN-2 Eureka radio beacon antenna from the World War II. So it's a ground plane antenna. You see it's got the ground planes right there, and it only comes up to about that height. It's a 225 megahertz and up antenna. It's not like the antennas that you guys are used to putting on your military radios, where it's fed from the bottom. This one is fed from coax that goes all the way into inside where the antenna is, and it works pretty good. I put a SWR meter on it, and it is perfect on the 225 area, 224 area. So you're thinking, what the hell are you going to use this thing for? Who's doing anything on 220? Well, if you have a PRC-66, very rare radio. What's even more rare is this antenna. We'll talk about that in another video. With the Manpack, you can use this as, or if you have another one, make sure you have another one, use it as the base radio with this antenna and talk to somebody in the field. So you and that other person could be the only ones in the world doing 220, 224 AM. But you can see these radios are meant to do 225 and up, but they do go lower than 225. So you can use them in the amateur radio band. But again, I'm going to make a video on this radio separately and the antennas and stuff like that. But yeah, it would erect with these, I guess they're like the same as the tent, how you erect a tent. Same type of scenario, but again, these are not radiating elements. They're just holding it up, and this notch right here would go in the square unit, which would be the beacon. I'm going to show you a picture of what that looks like. So I just wanted to give you a quick little close-up, and these things, if you want to fold them up, they can all go, you fold them up, you put them in a bag, and you go. I got the Buc-ee's, aka the Boosie's cup out here to show you the size of everything. All right, check out the video. Not the video, the pictures. 7.3.